Hello, my name is Darren Rolfe. I'm in the construction engineering team at Roythorns, and today I'm going to tell you about the latest regulations that have come into force under the Building Safety Act 2022. So what we're going to look at today is, briefly, I will recap on the basis of the Building Safety Act, known as the BSA, and then I'm going to look at changes in the last 12 months, and specifically this list of regulations here that have all been brought in to introduce provisions of the Act. So, to recap on the Building Safety Act, the Building Safety Act came out of the Grenfell Tower tragedy and was designed to improve safety standards across the building industry. It received royal assent on the 28th of April 2022, and it actually came into force on the 28th of June 2022. It's a very large act with 171 provisions, and it included a number of major changes both to operations and liabilities within the construction industry. The Act, as primary legislation, merely sets out the general principles, and each one of those has to be brought into force through individual regulations. The primary focus of the Act is on what are known as higher risk buildings, or HRBs, and the Act covers a range of topics relating to HRBs. HRBs can be one of two types, depending on whether you're looking at the design and construction and defects, or whether the issue is the future management of the building. In the last webinar, we looked at regulations then in force, and this one we're looking at those that have been published since and what they mean for developers. So, changes in the last 12 months. In April 2023, we got the High Risk Buildings Descriptions and Supplementary Provisions regulations, and then in September 2023, the Department of Levelling Up Housing and Communities published several more regulations: the Building Regulations Amendment, the Building Regulations High Risk Building Procedures, the Buildings Approved Inspectors, the High Risk Buildings Management of Safety Risks, and the Building Safety Consequential Amendments regs.